Hello everyone, myself Tapasvi. I'm from ITC. Today I'll explain about job sequencing with the maximum deadlines. So job sequencing means the sequencing of jobs on a single processor with deadlines and constraints is called as job sequencing. Job sequencing is a optimization problem. So here I can give you some points also. So the job, firstly you are given a set of jobs. So the job has a set of defined deadlines with some profits also associated with it. So the profit of a given job is completed with its deadlines, so then only we can give the profit of a job. So the only processor, one processor is available for processing the job. So I can give you the approach to the job sequencing also. We are given a set of n jobs associated with the job I and profits pi. So for any job j, I is the profit of earned if and only if the job is completed within its deadlines. So the feasible solution of a subset of jobs j such that each job is a subset can be completed within the given deadlines. So at last an optimal solution to the problem within a feasible solution that given to the maximum path. So in this job sequencing we can use a greedy method for finding the how the next job is included within the job sequence or not to the optimal solution. So at last I can give you with an example also. Here we go. N is equals to 6, which is nothing but a number of jobs. So with a maximum algorithm, arrange the jobs with the profits with the maximum deadlines. So with the step 1, sort all the jobs in the decreasing order with respect to profits. So arranging the jobs profits with respect to jobs with respect to profits. So after arranging step 2, so here we go with the maximum deadline is 5. So draw a Gantt chart which is I can show you. Step 3, pick up all the jobs one by one. So pick up all the jobs from one by one. Job 4 with maximum deadline 2. So here maximum deadline is 2, which is empty. So we can place the job 4 here and pick up job 1 with maximum deadline 5. So here maximum deadline 5 is empty. So we can arrange the job 1 here. After that pick up the job 3 with a maximum deadline 3, which is deadline 3 is empty. We can place the job 3. So pick up job 2 with a deadline 4. Here maximum deadline is 4, which is empty. So we can place the job 5 here. After all arrangement, the job scheduling is which is J4, J4, J2 and J3, J5 and J1. So firstly I said you that we can maximize the total profit. So with respect to profits, we can add all the profits, which is 990. Here we go. So hope you understand all. Thank you.